On 3. Third horn, yeah? Alright. Here we go. Me versus Joe. M2 Comp versus 4C. Oh, wheel spin. Oh, it's close. Oh, I've got him. Oh, I'm pulling on them too. He's catching me. Oh, that was close. That was very close. I think both of us suffered from a hell of a lot of wheel spin just then. A hell of a lot of wheel spin. But, as you would have expected, the M2 Comp catching me as we got to around about 100 miles an hour. I'm impressed. Well done, Alpha.
Did the second because I could feel it spinning up.
Yeah.
And at that point, as I went for second, you just pulled a car length at me, and then it seemed to grow from there. But
yeah, see, I got literally untold wheel spin for first, second, and first gear and summer second,
yeah.
And then it just picked up and just went. But you were catching me right at the end.
I could feel, but only slowly, not quick enough. I've got to get a better start. So yeah.
We'll go again.
Let's go again.
Let's go again.
Yeah. I might go through the obstacle course to warm my tyres up.
Yeah, go for it. Oh my god. That is just so funny. Literally, it feels like it's raining in my car when it actually isn't. I find that hilarious. Anyway. The back end goes, it's very snappy on the 4C. Very snappy. And in these weather conditions, I want to be extra careful because it's very dangerous. I mean, around here as well, aquaplaning on something so light, you've got to be really, really careful. And it's great fun, you know, skid it around a little bit, but yeah, I don't want to damage this little thing. I love this thing. Oh, wicked. It's not every day you get the opportunity to drive it on a nice closed area. We can actually do a bit of drag racing. So yeah, so I reckon if Joe gets a better start, he'll be literally neck and neck all the way. He is manual, by the way. I think that's the important thing, is he is a manual M2 Comp, whereas obviously this is auto. I've got it set to dynamic. There is no point going into race because I will light up every gear. At least when in dynamic, I'm able to kind of modulate the throttle a bit to try my absolute best to get some form of traction, although it is proving very difficult. Here we go. Come on, get the power down, get the power down. Oh, he's gone! I've still got him! Oh! I'm not sure who won that one. I think that was literally neck and neck. I think that was literally neck and neck. See Joe spinning it there, look. That was closer.
It was closer. I got the jump on you, but then again, I'm getting wheel spin, I'm short shifting early, and then it's just bogging down. I've got to hold it. Can we have one more go?
Yeah, we'll do one more go.
One more go, and this time I'm going to hold it in first for longer.
Yeah.
Because I'm sensing wheel spin and going, oh, just short shift.
Yeah.
As soon as I do, it just goes,
yeah.
And so I need to...
It's getting closer.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Oh, this is a video that you lot should be enjoying, I'll tell you that. My steering wheel is so wet, the weather is horrendous, but let's go and do another one.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh my word. I love this little thing. I wonder whether I can do a one-handed power slide. Let's try. Let's give it a go. Oh my god, that's hard work. Here we go. Oh, here you go, one-handed power slide. It's a lot harder than it is in something like an M2 Comp though, I must say. See if I beat him this time. Proper close. Oh wow, what a race. It is pretty much neck and neck. That was good. That was really good, mate. That was epic. That was pretty much neck and neck all the way.
That just sums up the cars. I mean, I just think I got slightly a jump to start, maybe slightly I just got you on the start, but then you wheeled me on the gear change, and then I could see you charging in my mirror.
It's mad.
And you literally pulled alongside me, and then at the end, the power. Just got
the bigger engine, etc. But mate, it's mad because that's what's that? 400.
405.
405 and 1600 kilos.
Exactly.
And 240 for 875 or 895.
I mean, it makes, if you put it on paper, it makes sense.
Yeah.
It just shows you. Never judge, like never look at just power figures, because
exactly.
That just demonstrate what weight can do.
Exactly.
And I'd say, I reckon over the 4 races that we had, yours was the quicker car.
Yeah.
But then I don't know. They really, if it was half a mile, I think this would have all of them.
Let's make
if it was half a mile, I think this would win more than.
I agree.
But then if it was an eighth of the mile, that would win all of them.
Yeah,
so.
and if it was dry as well, it would be a completely different story for both cars.
It would.
But mate, that was brilliant. Let's park up and let's debrief, because that was really good fun. Oh mate, oh look at the state of this steering wheel. Oh wow, that was brilliant. That was really, really good. Let me park her up. Oh, well done 4C. Right, mate. That was good fun, wasn't it?
It was right good.
Oh my god. So we're hiding under here for shelter because it is horrendous outside for weather-wise. You can see the cars are parked out the back. But mate, that was really good fun, wasn't it?
It was really good fun, really interesting. It's just lovely being able to do it in a safe, private place as well.
Exactly that.
Too much fun.
I know, because I was saying we were doing some stuff with Autotrader prior to this, which obviously that video would have gone live, so I'll link that in the description so you can guys have a look and check it out. But massive thanks to Rory, obviously, and the guys from Autotrader, because they insured our cars to be out here. Because don't get it twisted, you need to make sure you've got insurance to do this kind of stuff as well. Don't you?
Yeah. Well, if we hit each other, or if we put one of our cars into the tree,
exactly,
it'll be out of our own pocket.
But you know what? I am in this weather. I thought that the M2 was going to be on it, but then I don't know. I was quite surprised, if I'm honest, with the 4C.
Yeah, no, same. And no offense to Pirelli tyres, but I know the Pirellis usually in the wet aren't as good as the Michelins. But you know, the lack of weight. But you managed to get off the line really well each time, and it was like I was struggling a bit with the manual because it's a bit harder, I think, to get a consistent start. And especially with that engine, it's funny. Like you know, you can normally just hold it at a certain rev. But then you've sold it at 3, and then the turbo starts spooling, so then it goes 4, 4.5. So you can't like. Not making excuses, of course.
No, it's fine. No, it's all good, mate. Well, I left my car in bloody manual mode and couldn't skip a gear before. But yeah, mate, honestly, I've had a great time.
Yeah, me
and honestly, it's great for you guys to see this. Obviously, getting Joe back on the channel is, we always love doing stuff together, but to do something cool like this, even though the weather isn't ideal and it's probably not like the most cinematic production you've ever seen, but you get the gist. And this is a very raw, very kind of draggy style video. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Obviously, if you don't follow Joe, make sure to check out Joe's channel. I'll link it in the description below.
Thanks, buddy.
Make sure to sub to me, and I'll see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.